Hi, my name's Neil, and I'm the operated plant manager at Flannery Plant Hire. We're based in Wembley, which is West London. We specialise as a company in supplying various different types of machines to construction sites across the country. This can be rollers, dump trucks, excavator diggers, JCBs, bulldozers. Me, along with my team, we're responsible for ensuring all the operated hires basically have an operator on them. Any excavator that goes out on hire, we'll have to recruit the right operator for the right machine. And that could be, in a summer's day, you could be looking at 100 operators, which gets busy, but it's a challenge which is enjoyable. Persuasion's key. A lot of operators work for different companies, and during the summer months especially, we want them to come on board with us. So persuading them and showing them the benefits of what it'll be like working for us is sort of fundamental. Confidence, you have to be confident. We speak to hundreds of people on a daily basis. I love school, and not necessarily for the purposes I should be there for, which is education. I loved it in the sense of I love socializing. I loved being with my friends. For me, it was the fun factor. Like, I was that person. If you get a reference of any of my teachers, they'll say he would not stop talking. He would be in the corner, just yap, yap, yap. That's what I was like. And I've utilized that in what I do now. Like the job involves talking to people. So sort of made it into a career. A-levels done business and media. And I moved on to university, which was up north, so up in Hull. I initially started off with business management. So moved over to accounting and finance, which in all honesty, I lasted about 6 months. I can't see myself after university is done, sitting in an office doing accounts. I left university after about a year and a half. My parents weren't best pleased with it. Sat at home for probably about a month or two, just trying to evaluate and see what I actually wanted to do. Then I entered the world of recruitment. So it started off with recruitment, supplying trades and labour staff nationwide, not as big as I'm doing now, but smaller scale, but it's still recruitment. From then I moved on to another recruitment company, which was a peg up, and it's something I love doing. I just love doing it. And then I got a call once from Flannery's asking me to come in for an interview. Came in for an interview and I got offered the job. You don't want to have that feeling of dismay, I don't want to go to work today. I wake up right now, I got work. I'm happy. Jump out of bed. I'm a very morning person. If I was an accountant, I wouldn't have been a morning person. I would have been it's just paying the bills. The advice I'd have is don't look at what anyone else is doing. Just focus on yourself and I guess just work hard.